Hello viewers, so welcome back to today mathematics class for this incoming NECO examination. So guys, if this is the first time watching my video, do it to subscribe, like, or turn your button in case what if you have benefit like this, you definitely be the first one to find. And also, if you're watching this video from our Facebook page, TikTok, and any other our social media, do it to follow up and share this video. Give a like to this video and go to the comment section and give a review on this video. So if you need any of the exam past questions, can let me know in the comment section. Thank you for visiting our page today. So what are we learning today? I have this question for this incoming NECO examination. Do not joke with this question, okay? And this is one of likely at 100% predicted question that you should be expecting in this coming NECO examination. So do not joke with it. So let's quickly dive to the solution of this problem. So if you see this question in this incoming examination, how we handle it, how we solve it, that is the question. Many of you guys that are watching this video at this moment, you may say that it's very easy. And some of you, it looks some difficult for you to solve, and it is quite very easy, even though it's very easy question. Okay, so I just say whenever you are given a question, whenever you are facing any kind of exam, whenever you see the question, the first thing to come to your mind is to identify, to remember the topic of the question. So if you look at this question on, you can say it's for statistic. Yes, it's for statistic, but it's the application of statistic that leads to probability. We have two topics here. We have the statistic because the data of the class is given, and also we are told to find the probability. So let me just go straight to the point. Let's read the question and then we solve the question step by step. How to solve this question, I'm going to tell you that the most very important thing is, if you need more video like this, I'd like you to go to the comment section and comment I need more video for this upcoming NECO examination. Thank you guys. Don't forget, please keep sharing this video till you get in touch with people that are looking for this great opportunity. Thank you. God bless you as you do so. So the tables 3.1 age of students. Okay, you have the age, you have the age in years. We are 16 of age, 17 of age, you are 18 of age. Number of the students of 16, we are 4. Number of students of 17, we have 8. Number of students of 18, we have 6. So this is the table given. Is that the table show the age of the student in a particular class. First up, what is the probability of the student choose as random? It is less than 18. You were told to find the probability of students, okay? If the student is chosen as random, okay, say that what is the probability of a student choose as random is less than 18. Now, you were told to ask a self-question. I've said that it is honor statistic that leads to probability. That is called application of statistic. For those of you familiar with the statistic very well, you can know that this is for honor statistic and this is the application of statistic that leads to probability. Now, me ask us a question. There are two things you should remember here. If you don't know the formula for probability, you definitely find it difficult to solve this question. And if you don't know how to use the formula, you definitely find it difficult to solve this question. And it is a very simple question. So let me quickly dive to it. So let's look at the solution together. Now, the step you find the probability of the student less than 18 shows the age of less than 18 years. So the first thing, remember the probability question. What are the probability question? Probability question, the probability formula rather. The probability is equal to expected outcome. Let me present as EO, expected outcome, over the total possible what outcome. That is the formula for probability. Let me repeat again. Probability is equal to expected outcome over total possible outcome. Now, what are we expecting and what are the total possible outcome? Expected outcome is that is referring to find the probability of certain things. That certain thing means that you expect to find that particular things. So in this place, you see that you find that shows the probability. Okay, what is the probability that the student at random, when you choose a student as random, is less than 18. So you are expecting to choose a student that are less than 18 of age. So that means our expected outcome should be the student that are less than 18. Now, it comes to this place, how many students that are less than 18? Here are 18, that is 6, but the students that are less than 18, we have 16, we have 17, they are less than 18. Okay, so the age of 17, we have 8 students, the age of 16, we have 4 students. So those are the number of students, those are the number of students that less than this were 18. So definitely our expected outcome is to be equal to age of student that less than 18. So age of student that's less than 18. So this one we should talk about is we have 17 less than 18 and age 17. And how many number of students they have 8? That be 8 what? 8 plus. Next one be added to the next one. So that is 16. That is what? 4. Number of students of age of 16 is 4. So we add it together. That's 4 plus 8. What we get? We get what? 12. So it means that our expected outcome is 12. Now, what is our total possible outcome? The total possible outcome means that the total number of the students in the class. We're given the age of 16, age of 17, and age of 18. So now the number of 16 we added to that is 4. Number of 17 age is 8. The number of 18 age is 6. So that means that our total possible outcome is equal to the number that is 4, the age of 16 plus the age of 17 that is 8 plus the age of 16 of 18 rather, that is what? 6. So when you add it together, what we get? That we get 18, right? To 18. So therefore we have 18 here. So this one will give us 18. Now let's put it into the probability question now. The equation, I mean the probability formula. So let me try to draw a line here. So let's say the probability is equal to the probability of the age of student that are less than 18. They are, the expected outcome is equal to 12, so that's equal to, we have 12 divided by, and the total possible outcome is 18, so therefore we have 18. This is very simple, right? Now, do we have 12 and 18 in the option? No, so we can still break it down because this is their solution. So if we say that 6 here, that will give us 2, and we have 6 in 18, that will give us 6. So therefore our probability is equal to, that is 2 over, this one is 3 rather. That's 2 over 3 rather. That's 2 over 3. Now 6 in 18 is given us 3. So it means that 2 over 3. So it means that the total possible outcome, it means that the probability that the student choose at random is less than 18 is equal to, that is 2 over 3. So the answer is 2 over 3. So let's look at the option. I think it's option C. So we have it as option C. So that is how I solve this question. So guys, in the next video I will give you more question that is more similar to this, and for the class of today, this is the first question for the today class. So we shall meet in the next class. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, also notify your button in case we have benefit like this. That will be the first one notified. Thank you, and don't forget to share with a friend. God bless you as you share it. Thank you.